welcome to a new video of Human Made Garden Plants. This time an update from a video edit previous year about my sunflower seeds. If you want to see that video how I planted these seeds, I will put it in the description. These are my new seeds of the sunflowers, and as you can see they are growing very good. They have all sprouted, all of them, so that's good. And these are the 7-year-old seeds, and as you can see I got 4 from the many seeds I put in there. I put a lot of seeds in here, but there are 4 that's coming up. And as you can see the color is different and the leaves are a little bit weird. So you can see this is very old seed. They are not growing that well. We are now a little bit further, and as you can see they are growing very good. These are the new seeds. They're growing very good, but they want a lot of water, that's for sure. But as you can see they're growing very good. For my 7-year-old seeds, they also growing a little bit, but they have also been eaten by snails, as you can see, because the bottom leaves are gone with this one, and there is maybe another one popping up, but we will see. We are now a little bit further again, and as you can see there's more leaves missing because the snails like sunflowers, but they're not growing very well, as you can see. The new ones have grown a lot since then. As you can see, they're about 20 centimeters high now. We are now a little bit further, and as you can see the new ones are growing very good. They all got new leaves, and they are about 30 centimeters right now, so that's very good. And now for my 7-year-old seeds, they're not looking fantastic, as you can see. They've all eaten by snails. The last one is gone, and the one under the ground is also gone. And this is the last time I filmed this, and as you can see I have not watered this one that good. I'm sorry, but they're still growing. And for my 7-year-old seeds, they have died. So 7-year-old seeds are not good. I thank you for watching. Bye bye.